This is my 2007 Toyota Tundra. I'm looking here at this oil gauge. I never noticed it before, but when I speed up, I'm at about maybe 45, 50 miles an hour. You see the gauge is moving up. And when I slow down, it goes back to like in the middle of normal. I never noticed this before, but the reason why I'm bringing this up is because within the last 3 years, I have had my radiator changed about 4 to 5 times. It lasts about 8 months and it started leaking. I don't know if it's a blown head gasket or something, but the mechanic can't seem to figure it out. As you see, I'm sitting here idle. I'm fit to raise my RPMs up, and you're gonna notice my oil level is gonna go up. And I don't know if this is normal or not, but I've had one mechanic told me that I had a small head gasket leak, and this mechanic right here said I don't. So after every I say 8 months, he's changing my radiator out again. I just got it changed here June the 7th, 2018. So probably 8 months later, I get it changed again. So if anybody have an idea of what this might be, leave me a comment below. And thank you, and subscribe to my channel.